Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Exception Object Message in Java Program. So first of all, let us understand what is exception in Java program. So exception is nothing but runtime error. So what is runtime error? Error which occurs during execution time of a program is known as runtime error. So why runtime error occurs? So basically we get runtime errors when we give incorrect input or wrong input while executing our program. Okay, when we give incorrect input or wrong input to our program during execution. Right, so what happens when exception occurs? So when exception occurs, program execution stops then and there itself. At that particular line, remaining lines of statements are not executed, and technically it is called as abnormal termination of the program or breakdown of the program. So to avoid this abnormal termination of the program, we have to perform exception handling mechanism. So in exception handling mechanism, we use try block to monitor or detect the exception, and throw keyword to warn, alert that exception has occurred, and will throw this exception to the catch block. In catch block, we accept the exception and provide a appropriate solution. So when we perform exception handling mechanism, there is no abnormal termination of the program, no breakdown of the program. Now coming to the exception object message. So first of all, every exception in Java program is an object. Is an object. Okay. So this object is automatically created by JVM for predefined exceptions and manually created. So manually created by developer for user defined exceptions. So for user defined exceptions, we manually create it using throw keyword. Okay, right. So now coming to exceptions, we have predefined exceptions and user defined exceptions. So for all these exceptions, exception object is created when exception occurs. Okay, so when exception occurs in program, exception object is created, and this exception object belongs to a particular class. Okay, it belongs to a particular exception class. Example, something like arithmetic exception, which is a predefined unchecked exception, or null pointer exception. So now every exception object, okay, so every exception object has three properties. First one, exception type. Second one, exception message. And third one, exception state. Right, so exception type is something like, example, what is the type of exception? Arithmetic exception. Exception message, example, something like division by 0. Okay, and exception statements, which line number, which method, which class, which program, and which package exception has occurred in our system, in our program execution process. So now how to work with exception object? Okay, with exception message. So that is important for us. So to get exception message, okay, so to get exception message of any exception occurred in program, we use below method. So for example, let us say that we have arithmetic exception dot get message method, okay, or something like null pointer exception object dot get message. Right, so basically we use this method in catch block basically, because in catch block only we accept the exception. So because here we accept the exception, so that's why we use it in catch block, right? And this method, get message method, belongs to throwable class, okay, which is a super class for all the exceptions in Java, okay. So the hierarchy goes like this of exception classes hierarchy. So exception classes hierarchy. Hierarchy means base class and subclasses. It goes like this. At the top level we have throwable class, and then for this the subclass is exception class. Exception is also one class in Java, and then under this we have different types of exceptions. We have other exceptions. It can be checked or unchecked exceptions, right? So from base class we have get message method. We can use this method for our exception class object, which is a subclass for exception and throwable class. So using inheritance we are going to use this throwable class get message method to get exception message of a particular exception which is occurred in our Java program. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Exception object message example 1, program to work with exception object message. So first we'll write the comments, class exception object method message example 1, program execution starts with main method. Save this in our working directory. Exception object message 1 dot java, right? So we'll take here int a comma b comma c to work with arithmetic exception, right? So we'll take case 1, a is equals to 10, b is equals to 2. So c is equals to a by b, system dot out dot println division is plus c, and then we'll say system dot out dot println end of the program, right? So save this program, open the command prompt, go to your working directory where we have saved the program, compile the program, exception object message example1.java, compile it and run it. So normal execution, no exception, division is 5, end of the program. So now by mistake we'll take case 2, okay, as something like a is equals to 10, b is equals to 0, right? So compile and run. So here we are getting abnormal termination of the program, no end of the program message. So exception in thread main method, arithmetic exception, division by 0, line 17, main method, exception object example 1 class, exception object example 1 dot java program. So exception type, arithmetic exception, exception message. Okay, so exception message here is division by 0, and then this is exception state. Now we want to get only exception message with normal execution of program. So for this we'll use try for these two statements, and then followed by catch. Right, so in the catch we'll catch arithmetic exception AE, and then here we'll say system dot out dot println. So we'll print AE, exception object, so it will print only exception type and message. Right, save it, compile, run. So it is printing only exception type and exception message, division by 0. So how to print only exception message? So we'll take here AE dot get message. So get message is a method which is inherited from throwable class. Okay, from throwable class. From throwable class it will come to exception class, and from exception class it will come to the subclasses. So arithmetic exception is a subclass for exception class and then throwable. So we can use this through inheritance. So now it will print only exception message. Compile it and run it. So we'll get only exception message, division by 0. So this is how we are supposed to work with exception object message in exceptions using get message method inherited from throwable class. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.